The Slavery Memorial Committee helps realize your idea with financial support for projects that connect, educate, research, and keep our history alive. We preserve stories, share memories, and create something new together. This year is all about passing on. Together, we make history visible for the next generation. We welcome new ideas of all shapes. Whether you're making a podcast, researching our past, developing an educational program, or building a new archive, submit your proposal. Receive up to €50,000 per project, for foundations only. Applications are open until October 31st in the European Netherlands and the Caribbean part of the kingdom, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Saba, Statia, and Sint Maarten.